Hey guys, today I'll be showing you exactly how to bring your hardwood floors back to life just in time for the holiday season, helping you save time and most importantly, that dough. So stick around and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, and that's how you do it. That's how you refinish your hardwood floors and bring them back to life just in time for the holiday season. If you found this video helpful at all, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this, where I'll be showing homeowners how to keep their homes beautiful year-round on a budget. And as always, I'll go ahead and link everything that I use down in the description box below. That way you can check out those products and add them to your cart. Thanks and have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.